Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our next topic, that is alerts. Okay. For this, I'm going to take this particular example. This is basically Java based alerts we can able to say. Okay. How you can able to say maybe you're writing here. The same thing it is happen for in real time also? No. Okay. But you can able to know that there is alerts will be there. Okay. On click alerts. Okay, wherever it is coming, you can able to check the inspecting that specific element. Once you click, if it is getting for some alert, no, you can able to inspect that element. Maybe you can able to see on click. Okay, there based upon that you can able to see. Okay, there are three different kind of alerts. One is just for okay, and second one is okay and cancel. Okay, and third one is promote. The promote is basically it is having for text box and also buttons. Remaining things it won't be like here only okay or some cancel, and also here you can able to see some message. Okay, these are the things will be presented, and the same thing you can able to see the result also they are printing here. Okay, but in the real time it will not be the same case. Okay, but alert clicking and canceling and sending the information is a real time also same, but printing and the here in the web application it's not a mandatory. Some companies will follow, some company won't be follow. But we are going to showcase that how we can able to click. Now, if I click here, I want to see if I click here, you can see you're successfully clicked on alert. Okay, this particular message I want to print into the console. Now I'm going to inspecting this element. You can able to see this is a message. Okay, for here I'm going to take for just a pop up. Okay, confirm pop up. You can able to say. Now here page dot locator, we can pass my locator, that is this one. Okay, I'm going to create my XPath actually. Okay, 2 forward slash star and 2 square braces at the rate text is equal to, and single quotation I'm going to pass for this. Not at the rate text, 2 braces, and you can able to find this locator. Okay, now I'm going to click here. Once I click, it will open some information, and then we can able to click for OK, then only we can able to see this. Okay, before clicking OK, I'm going to print for my text whether it will be displayed or not. Okay, now page dot locator. Okay, and I'm going to mark it as hash because it is a ID dot text context. Okay, this will return for string of text, right? For that I'm going to use for string text equal to and end of the place, and I'm going to printing for this particular text whether it will be accepted or not. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular one. See, now it is loading. Why it is coming? Oh shit, sorry. Now running. Now you can see is already clicked and also message comes to here, but we are not seeing any message here. How? The question mark, right? If you are seeing the Java, we need to handle on our side. Okay, we need to click, and then after that we need to use for alert switching. Then we need to click on OK button. Okay, otherwise it will not work. If you go for Cypress also similar format by default it will accept for OK. How? Because similar format of Cypress, they are using to inbuilt of functionality to accept OK button. If you click, automatically it will accept for accept by default. Then how you can able to print for text of that particular alert, right? That is very difficult to handle, right? That moment you can able to use for on dialog is a function. You can use that particular function to handle that one, okay, to get the text of that particular page, okay. How you can able to use now page dot on dialog, okay. For this particular place you have to use for dialog any name you can able to provide, okay, mark and then two curly braces, enter and semicolon, okay. Now you can able to print for the text of that particular one, okay. Text is equal to dialog dot a message is the function to get the message on text. From here if I automatically it is accepted, because of that I'm not able to click here. Now I need to print this particular one, okay. For that I need to click and I need to get the message of that particular one, okay. Now I'm going to print for my message text, okay. Now again I'm running. If it is running very fast we can't see, right, even that if it is accepted. Even you can see the runtime also. If I click, which is opened by Playwright, if I click, automatically it is accepting the message. See, now you can able to see the message, okay, but we are not accepted. We are not accepted because of it is still waiting, okay. We are not accepted but still it is waiting, okay. And if you see, the message is already displayed but it is waiting to click on accept, okay. Here you have to use for dialog dot accept. If you accept this one, right, automatically it will accept and it will print for the text, okay. Now again I'm running. If you want accept, you can accept. If you want cancel, you can use for dismiss function, okay. Now it is done it, okay, and you can see both the things are perfect, right. Like this you can able to use. Now we can able to use for same functionality for the cancel, okay, for cancel. Now I'm going to commenting on this particular locator, copying and pasting down, okay. Now the second case where it is presented for the second case, this is the one confirmation, that is basically alert, and this is a confirmation, right. Now I'm copying this name and I'm pasting here. Once it is click and I need to dismiss, not for accept, I'm going to do for dismiss. Dismiss means cancel, okay. Now I'm running. Now this time I'm going to do for dismiss. Means once I open this one, just I will click and I'll make it for cancel, and you clicked as a cancel. I want to print into the console location, okay. So it is already clicked for, you clicked on cancel, okay. Now here also is printed the same thing, okay. Like this we can able to use. Now another question will come. Now how you can able to pass the text for here, okay. For this particular text I have to pass the text message. How we can able to pass it, right? For that again you need to go here, make it as an comment, and we can pass it in the accept location. It will accept for the argument also. For the argument I'm going to using for Lokesh. Okay. And now I'll do for one more thing here. Now here we can use it for cancel the promote path. Now I'm using for here to here prompt one. Okay. Now I'm running this particular file. Now I'm going to passing for text into the text box and also I'm printing the value. Okay. Now I can see entered and location is there, and also same text will be presented here also. Okay. Like this we can able to do it for JavaScript alerts handling. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.